The tornado warning is going off. It's coming right at us. Hey, tell Mom it's coming right here. It's right over there. It's coming. Now the best side of the basement is the washing room.
Hope your insurance is up to date, Dad.
Man, oh, it's right. We're right in the path. Let's go! Oh shit! Get it! Get down!
That's a freight train!
Oh, buddy. I got you. Oh, there's the roof. Roof!
Get in the house.
Yeah, get down there.
Hurry! Do it now.
Oh my God! They just get out all the way perfect. Oh my God! Oh my God! Look at that house is gone. In the street. Oh my God! The house is gone. Anybody else? Come on. Yes, yes, yes. Is there anybody else in there with you? Do you need help? Yeah. Is there anybody else down here? Everybody accounted for? Oh my, natural gas. Oh my Jesus, Lord. Oh, Jesus. Oh, come here. Come, you all right? You all right?
I'm okay.
Okay.
Will you ask if they got a pair of pants or sweatpants I can put on? I can't
Hey. Okay, everybody. Natural gas is leaking.
I know, but I can't get
Do not. Do you smell it? Yes, yes. Oh, Lord. All right. Oh my God. Yes, everybody up from here has been accounted for.
She's a nurse. If anybody
Okay.
needs help.
No, the only so far was one lady had a cut on her face.
Let's go over there on the other side of the park. I think that's the way it went.